In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Account Recovery to regain access to your account if you've lost your email. Let's get started by opening up your internet browser. For the best experience, I recommend using Google Chrome as it's specifically optimized for Google services. In your browser's address bar, type in the following URL: https://accounts.google.com sign in recovery. Once you've entered this address, press enter on your keyboard and you'll be directed to the Google Account Recovery page. Now you might be wondering what to do next. On this page, you'll see an option that says Forgot Email. Click on it. This feature is particularly helpful if you're unsure of your email address, as it allows Google to help identify your account by using other details such as a recovery phone number or a recovery email address. Continuing on, if you've chosen to search by phone number, the next step is to enter the phone number associated with your Gmail account. It's important to include the country code here, which can often be overlooked but is vital for the process to work. For example, if you're in the United States, you'd use +1, and if you're in the Philippines, you'd use +63. After entering your phone number, click on the Next button. At this point, to ensure it is indeed your phone number, Google will send a verification code to the number you've just entered. This code will arrive via SMS, so make sure your phone is handy. Once you receive the message, enter the verification code accurately into the designated field on the page. This step is crucial as it acts as a security measure to confirm your identity and protect your account. After successfully verifying your phone number by entering the correct code, Google will proceed to show you the Gmail accounts linked to that number. This is particularly useful if your phone number is associated with multiple accounts, as it will display a list of all such accounts. It provides a clear view of which accounts you can potentially recover. Once you've identified the account you wish to access, you can either proceed to sign in if you remember your password, or if you've forgotten it, follow the on-screen instructions for password recovery. Google will guide you through the steps necessary to reset your password, ensuring a smooth and secure transition back into your account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've used Google Account Recovery to find and access your Gmail account even when you've forgotten your email. Remember, keeping your account recovery options up to date is a great way to prevent being locked out in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.